Music will always be the necessary things in the long road trip, so with Binize new product, then you will enjoy a very fashionable and convenient road trip. So let's have a look about the real driving feature. When you are switched to the front view dashcam vision, you will notice that the camera place or direction can be adjusted just like what we showed in the video. I think this is pretty cool. And also have to mention, in the home screen it will have massive apps and options for your choice. Thanks so much for watching today's videos. Welcome to purchase from Binize.com.